these are the 3 loops I have got for test from Kubelelo, and as you can see, the Kubelelo Nucleus loop, the Kubelelo Classic loop, and the Kubelelo Velocity loop. So Kubelelo has produced various types of loops which are weight 1 to weight 5, and some premium loops as you can see in this video, and also some more premium loops which I didn't get. So yeah, so these are the Kubelelo loops. So let's test all of these loops. So this is the Aolong V2, and now I'll loop this cube with the classic loop, the Kubelelo Classic loop. So I have looped this cube with the Kubelelo Classic loop. This is the Aolong V2, and at first this cube was very fast, so it was like very uncontrollable for me. At first I had looped this cube with the Traxxas 50K, which made it really fast, and I was not able to control this cube. So I wiped the loop, then I looped this cube with the Kubelelo Classic loop, and now this cube is much more controllable. All I could say about the Kubelelo Classic loop is, like, when you put a small amount of lube in your cube, your cube becomes more over to the faster side, and when you put like the medium amount of lube in your cube, it becomes more towards the slower side or controllable side. So the feel of the cube is like very smooth, like the cube is feeling smooth, and it's a lot more controllable. So it turned out to be awesome. This cube is like perfect Aolong, I guess, for me. So yeah, so that is for the Aolong V2. Let's see how the cube is. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my goodness. The loop made the cube lot faster. So I'll just solve this cube. You can see the pieces are just gliding like this. See. The pieces are just gliding, and although it's very controllable after adding this Kubelelo Velocity loop, and yeah, so I should say this loop made the cube a lot faster. So this was the GANS 356S with SV2 with the Kubelelo Classic loop on the core and Velocity loop on the pieces. Okay, so now I have looped this cube with the Kubelelo Nucleus loop on the core and Velocity loop on the pieces, and the results are, I was not expecting these results. So yeah, like I was not expecting it to be a controllable cube after looping it with Velocity loop. So this cube actually is more controllable now and also fast. So amazing, this cube is just amazing. This loop made it very controllable also, and yet equally fast. So yeah, So the velocity loop is amazing. Okay, so these are the 3 loops I've got for test, and my favorite one out of all these 3 loops is the velocity loop. So this is the velocity loop, and I recommend this loop. And if you are if you like slower cubes, I recommend this Cubelelo classic loop. And if you want to, and for the core, the best loop is this, the Cubelelo nucleus loop. This is amazing for the core. Yeah, so that was it for Cubelelo loops, and there are many more in the store, but these are the premium ones. So yeah, and my final thoughts on this on this loop is amazing, just amazing. And if you want to buy these loops, the link is down in the description. And if you want to use a discount coupon, the discount coupon is in the description. And they give you like 50% discount, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I think it's 50%. So that's it for my video of the Cubelelo Nucleus Classic and Velocity loop, and hope you like it. If you like my review, give it a thumbs up, and that's pretty much it. Bye.